So my question to you is, how do you keep with the latest news in the data storage market, and how do you react to implement those new technologies in our software?
It's easy. So we are learning from our customers, partners. Yesterday we were just checking how many OpenE certified engineers we have. So it's 1,004. So I was surprised that so many, but it's not so many people. It was some people making this twice. So it was over 800 people. That's people which mostly were trained by myself. Everybody has their own hobby. Everybody has own needs, right? So it's huge knowledge, and that's the main source of our learning curve. Of course, social media like YouTube, it's a great tool. Even if you want to repair your phone or change the battery, you go to YouTube and see how people are doing. Same is with new technology, like if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT or other AI technology, you will find a lot of nice information on the YouTube, and I'm doing this. And when I'm learn AI, so YouTube knows that I'm interested in this area, so they are finding next sources for me. So that works great, of course. And the books, reading books, I was always interested. So most of books I'm reading are just technology books, right? Or programming languages. Even I will never use it. That I want to know how the new technology works, so that's why I'm learning Rust. Even I'm not going to use the Rust in my job, in my practice. But they have very unique new thinking about coding inside. That's why I want to be aware about this, right? So. And of course our team. Here we have plenty colleagues which are over 15 years with us, so the big experience. So we learn each other in the team. We have seen in the past that when we grow the team, then there is new quality coming. Then you work, let's say, with 2-3 people, and then later you work with 20 people. Then you will be surprised. I was surprised many times in my life here. For example, once I have seen that we have a fiber channel driver. At that time, almost nobody had it. And I learned that one of our colleagues just doing reverse engineering on the chipset specification, he created the fiber channel driver. I was really surprised that we have this kind of talented people here, right? So that's life. Okay.
Okay, thanks. And maybe, or for the ending, some thought on the OpenE technology status at this moment for this 25th anniversary.
Yeah, we are lucky because we reached already very high level, the level which was kind of in the starting time kind of my dream. The dream was, and not only mine, but customers who are requesting this kind of functionalities. So it's like running a storage application, storage appliances, which we provide the software, which is secure, reliable, high available, and also best performance you can imagine. So you need to provide all this stuff, plus of course things like self-help monitoring. But the biggest was the instant backup. When you run your storage appliance and when you even heavy load, when you able at the same time, so continuously makes backup, instant backup or very frequent backup, that was something like science fiction or impossible in the past. But thanks to new technologies we are using like ZFS right now, on top also very reliable and very efficient backup engine, we are able to backup even every minute, and we are able to backup to many locations. For example, our own storage appliance, of course based on our software, is copying or replicating the data into 5 different locations every 5 minutes. So even some our colleagues are surprised that we are doing so. Yes, and nobody can notice that we make a backup every 5 minutes into 5 locations, and one of them is 1,000 kilometers away from our Munich office to our office in Poland. So that's really providing us a very high security for our data.
Okay, thank you very much.